Hi guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you what is the best time to send out emails so that you can get maximum return on your investment. That means how you can get sales, which are the best timings where you can send out emails and probably you can get more sales. Okay, and now this is something which I'm going to be sharing with you based on my experience. This is not a thumb rule that you should be mailing at this time. This is something which I have got results with. I've been doing affiliate marketing for the past 4 to 5 years, and based on what the timings which I have sent out emails, and instantly within maybe 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour or maybe 1 hour, I have got sales, and I'm sticking to that particular time still. 4 years past, so I'm going to be sharing with you my results, and based on that I'm going to be suggesting you 4 to 5 hours timing on a daily basis, and then you can basically test out on your behalf that if you send out on this particular timing, are you getting sales? Okay, your results may differ. This is something which has worked for me, so that is why I'm sharing with you. Probably this is the subject which I don't think anybody has made ever video about, as to which is the best timing to send out emails. So first I'm going to be sharing with you my proof. Okay, so this is something, I'm staying in India, so I'm going to be sharing with you based on my IST, that means Indian Standard Timing. Accordingly, you can Google it and you can pick up your country's timing. Okay, I'm going to be showing you what could be US timing. Okay, so this is the first example where I've got sales 1 a.m. in the night. Okay, and you can see over here just after 1 a.m. After 15 minutes I started getting sales. So this is one example. Then another one, and if you can see 1 a.m. and if you Google it, let's say we write it 1 a.m. to US timing and we click search, so that is 3:30 p.m. in Washington DC. Okay, so it's going to be 3:30 p.m. in US time. Now I don't know what is that specific time to get at this amount of sales, but I've got tons of example where I've sent out emails at 1 a.m. in the night before I'm going to bed, and I've got results. So another thing, here's another one, another example, 115, 123, 137, 145. Then another one, this is in the evening Indian Standard Time, like what is that, 5:41 p.m. So if we check out p.m. and 5:30 accordingly to US timings, that could be early morning in US, which is 8 a.m. and probably I would recommend this is the best timing because a lot of launches happen at 9 a.m. EST, so probably the morning time is really good to send out emails. This is something I would highly recommend, my friend. A lot of people don't do that. They send out late, okay, like 11 a.m. or maybe 12 noon time, but 8 a.m. I think probably is going to be a good timing to send out emails with a good content. Okay, so you can see over here early morning I've got sales over here, and this is my account, Gmail account. So, and then this is another timing, 4 a.m. I'm presuming, yes, it was 4 a.m. Indian Standard Timing when I was in deep sleep. So 4:30 a.m. which is the timing which I send out emails. So it could be for, let me see, 4:30 a.m. IST to US timing is 7 p.m. This is also a great timing to send out emails, my friend. 7 p.m. US timing, it's really great to send out emails. Also, this is a 4:30 a.m. from Indian perspective. 4:30 a.m. you can schedule it. You don't have to stay up until all that night to send out emails. You can schedule it at 4:30 a.m. and that's going to go at 7 p.m. This is probably the good timing to send out a webinar replay or a webinar registration, because a lot of people are coming to their home from their job and they have time to watch a 1-hour webinar. So you have seen that most of the affiliates, most of the vendors, when they schedule a webinar, it's around 7 p.m. Okay, so this is a really good timing to send out emails, my friend. And you need to test it, my friend. This is not a thumb rule that it would do miracles in your affiliate marketing business. This is something that you should try it out. Okay, I have tested out and I've got results. Okay, so yeah, I've got results with this one. Then the next example which I want to share with you is early morning 6:49. The way this was during the early morning. Similarly, this is another one which I've got results. Okay, 6:44. This is 6:44. So I think I have sent out email at like 6:30 or 6:20. Okay, let's see. Let me click 9 a.m. This is a launch timing of a lot of different launches, my friend. This is absolutely fantastic timing. Early morning, you can see early morning in the US, and late evening in India, like 6:44, 6:30. I send out emails, and you can see within just 15 to 20 minutes, the sales are like pouring in. All right, so that is also a good timing. Another one, just 2 hours later, like 8. It's a great timing to send out emails. Look at that. Like within just half an hour, maybe half an hour, you can see the amount. It's close to like 700 to 800 bucks. 8:20. So I have sent out. This was the early email, 6:30 p.m. email. I mean 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and 9 a.m. US time. Okay, so 9 a.m. and that was the same timing which I had sent this offer. And eventually, if you see even the 8:30 or 8, let's see, what could be this timing? It's gonna be probably 11. Okay, 10:30 a.m. in US time. So you can test it out at 10 o'clock or 10:30 a.m. in US also timing. This is a good timing. So early morning is really fantastic. Also, that I'm going to be sharing with you. This is something, all right. So another one is, this is something is a lot of different vendors used to use, and I was not that much convinced by this timing. That means 11 a.m. Indian Standard Timing. That is late 1:30 a.m. in US timing. Let me show you, friend. This is seriously surprising for me. I don't know why people are up late until night in US. I don't know, and they still buy. This is 1:30 a.m. in US, and I have got experience of this. I'm still using this timing, 11 a.m. Indian Standard Timing. That is 1:30 a.m. USA timing, late night, and I'm getting sales at this timing. I don't know why people stay up until. You can see another example, 11, just 4 minutes after I send out emails. I could have got this email to email list I used to use at that time, and you can see over here 11, just 4 minutes later, I've got sales. Okay, there were two. You can see there are 2 emails from me. So one from another autoresponder, one from GetResponse. So one was at 11 a.m. Indian Standard Timing. Another was at 11:25 a.m. And fortunately, the 11 a.m. Timing, Indian Standard Timing email got that much sales within just 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes. All right. So I don't know what is timing. So I would recommend, these are the 4 timings which I have picked up, seeing the results which I have just shown you. I would suggest, if you are a newbie marketer, if you are an experienced marketer, try to send out 2 emails a day. Okay, 2 emails are more than enough. If any email is not getting good opens or clicks, then go for 3. Okay, this is something I would suggest. Your opinions could differ with me. Early morning, great timing, my friends. 6:20 p.m. Indian timing, 8:50 a.m. just before the 9 a.m. timing, 8:50 a.m. US timing. Then Indian timing, 1 a.m., which I have got several results as I had showed you over here. Just refresh over here. You can see over here 1, 2, another one I've got several results at that timing. So this is 3:30 p.m. in US timing. Okay, either one you can select. Either you can select this timing or this timing. Test out 1 week at this timing, the second week test out at this timing. See the difference. Okay, then late evening you can send out 4:30. This is probably PM. Okay, 7 p.m. US timing. So Indian timing 4:30 a.m. Late night, and 7 p.m. US timing. So you can test out this timing. I've got sales at this timing. And then late night 11 a.m. at Indian Standard Timing and 1:30 a.m. at US time. So you should be mixing up. First week you try out this and this. The next week you can try it out this and this. Don't send out emails all these 4 timings. So the subscribers are going to be getting annoyed. They're not going to be opening your emails, my friend. Think about it. If I started sending you 4 to 5 emails every single day, would you be eager to open my emails? Probably not. So don't do this mistake. Probably you should test out 2 emails in a day. So you can test out this one and this one. Early morning, 8:50 a.m. US timing and 7 p.m. US timing. 1 week. Next week you can try it out at 3 p.m. and 1:30 a.m. On the same timing. Now what you should do is the first email that you send in early morning should be with a good content. You should be providing them absolutely fantastic value about what offer you're going to be promoting, what are the benefits of this offer, and how you can get maximum benefits if you pick up the offer through your affiliate link. Okay, you can also send some bonuses if you want. And you can send a good content packed email in the first early morning, and then these emails, the 7 p.m. and the late night email should be absolutely targeted to maximize the CTR, that means click-through rate. So you should be getting a maximum clicks on this late night and evening emails, so that most of the time when people get home after the job, either they're not in a good mood because of the daily work, so they are looking for an option. They have got time. Maybe some guys after watching TV, after having a dinner, they've got time. They are there on the internet, and that time maximum purchases are made. Okay, this is something which I have experienced, so you can test it out. First morning emails, good content, and the late night and the evening emails, they should be targeting with the maximum CTR based email swipes. Okay, so that is something which I wanted to share with you. I hope it makes sense because I've shared so much of my proof over here. You can test out this 1 a.m. Indian Standard Timing. It gets absolutely fantastic results. Don't know why, because maybe they've got all their breakfast, everything is fresh on. They have got to their office desk and they are having no time to do any work at an office. Maybe they're looking out for something on the internet through their office. Maybe, I don't know, but people still buy at this 1 a.m. Indian Standard Timing, that is 3:30 US timing, 3:30 p.m. US timing. Okay, let me see if yes, 3:30 p.m. US timing. Try it out. and let me know how was your experience. Let me know how you like this video. If you like it, you can click the like button. Either way, if you didn't like it, just click the dislike button. Let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next video, my friend. Till then, next time, have a great day. Bye bye.